One of the weirdest phenomenons about getting older is eyebrow hair, honestly, because when you're younger, you're like, yo, my eyebrows look good. I remove the unibrow, I'm good to go, right? But as you age, I've come to realize that you definitely need to trim them up in order for them not to get all crazy, because nothing looks worse than a dude with crazy eyebrows. And so today I want to just show you a few little eyebrow trimming tricks that are going to help you have brows that always look amazing, all right? So here's the deal. They sell little kits like this at Pete and Pedro, all right? It's going to have a little small mustache brush, also a nice pair of scissors, all right? Now this is great because you can actually get in there and do what you need to do. But today I'm going to show you how to actually do it with a regular comb, all right? Something like this, because most people have something like this at home. I'm also going to be using the Pete and Pedro scissor set. The scissors I'm going to be using is going to be this one with the sharp tip, all right? The way that it works, and all I want you to do is take your comb, get in the mirror, and what you're going to do is lift your eyebrows up and over, all right? Notice that you're going to see that they're going to poke up right there. And then what I want you to do is just knock the long ones off, right? Go all the way around your eyebrow. But then what I want you to do is actually comb them down as well, because sometimes they grow a little bit crazy and you can actually see that they get a little bit long under there, all right? Now, I trim my eyebrows on a regular basis, so they're not like super crazy. But that's it, guys. Up and over to make sure that they stand up, and then down and over. All right, it's all about just trimming a little bit off to make sure that they're even. Guys, if you've got crazy eyebrows, people notice your crazy eyebrows. Quick little trick to make them look good and amazing all the time.